In the summer of last year, we placed 6 concrete head structures in the Bristol Channel. These are the outfall and intake apertures for the cooling water of the main Hinkley Point power station. This year, we are drilling a shaft through each of those heads, installing a casing.
The casings are large monopiles. They will be hammered into the seabed. The biggest challenges are really the weather conditions out in the Bristol Channel. We've got the second largest tidal range in the world in the Bristol Channel. We've got very high current flows, so we can only do installations at slack water when the water is either at its lowest or at its highest point. We have to be very precise, so any movement from currents, waves, wind will make our job very, very difficult.
Center in the splash zone now, view.
Often we only have a 3-hour window to complete the operation, so everyone needs to be in a constant state of readiness.
I've been involved with this project since 2017, and every time we go back to do offshore campaigns it increases, and now we're getting into the actual heavy construction.
Once all the casings are installed, we will continue to drill the shafts down to the tunnel level.
Last night we completed the drilling of the socket, so we're in a position now where we've lifted over the liner. It's been flooded and we're ready to attach the drill string and deploy it to final depth.
We then begin with the grouting works around the liners to form one solid structure.
Which means that our tunnellers, who have already completed the tunnels that these heads connect to, will be able to mine across and connect everything up.
This is a very challenging project, purely because there's so many elements to pull together.
I'm really proud to be involved in one of the largest construction projects in Europe.
It's great to see a plan come together.
It makes me feel proud being able to say I've worked on a project like this, which obviously is going to impact so many people.
It's been really good to work with everybody.